Good afternoon. If any of you are wondering what have happened today in Belarus, I will tell you something interesting. What has happened is the guy who calls himself a president of Belarus just have hijacked a passenger plane going from Greece to Lithuania. Mr. Lukashenko has military jets under his command who will do anything he wants. And what he is telling you is very simple. Whatever I need, I will do, and I will use all the military resources of my country because I can. This is what he's saying. This is why, when he found out that Roman Protasevich was on the plane going to Lithuania from Greece, he sent up one of his fighter jets. He said that there's a bomb scare and plane has to go down, and escorted plane to force land in Belarus, where Roman was arrested and Lukashenko had his satisfaction. This is the world we're living in today. So today, if you are calling yourself a president of a country, if you have enough fighter jets, enough bombs to scare everybody, you can be a state terrorist, you can be a head of a terrorist organization, call yourself Belarus government, and go on for as long as you have enough money and for as long as nobody will stop you. So next time you fly somewhere in Greece or Lithuania or Poland or perhaps France, just bear in mind that the fighter jet from Belarus can go up and bring your plane down into Belarus just because some people like me, opposition to Belarusian so-called President Lukashenko, are on board. This is really bad, guys. We need to do something about it, because this is not what we are paying taxes for. This is a very bad behavior. This is the state terrorism. This is the threat to European people at the moment. Please do something about it, world leaders. You have to. I'm sorry. This is the time. Thank you.